House with an Eye by Studio Anna Jach in Zurich, Switzerland. A very narrow but highly frequented street, with reduced parking possibility for the contractors. The client wanted to move back in as soon as possible, short construction time. Sustainability is the key aspect of building construction. Massive reduction of the carbon footprint by the usage of local wood and local insulation material, blown-in cellulose. Short transportation ways due to the selection of local contractors and materials. Excavation earth was reused as a rammed earth sitting bench in the garden. Solar panels on the rooftop plus heat pump provide electric energy and hot water. Due to the thickness of the building insulation, 26 centimeters, total wall thickness of 40 centimeters, the heating cost was reduced by 50%. Inside, wooden panels were left without adding an extra render as the final finishing surface, resulting in a natural way of humidity exchange, a pleasant room climate, and the smell of fresh pine wood. No artificial chemical treatments were used for the internal wall protection. The surfaces were impregnated with natural flax oil combined with 5% of white mineral paint to prevent the wood from getting the yellow stain over time. Construction method: prefabricated, sandwich-like, insulated pine wood panels, mounted together on site by 4 people using a mobile crane within 5 hours. Vertical wood planks applied as a finish and protection on the exterior, groove, and tongue connections. Reduced amount of screws and bolts. Wall prefabrication using modern CNC cut technology. In the assembly hall 37 kilometers away from the construction site. Digital art. Building facade with a programmed 3D shadow relief. CNC wave-cut vertical facade planks cast a shadow of an open eye in the morning and a closed eye in the afternoon, giving a living effect to the exterior skin of the building and creating an interaction with the surrounding